What is going on, my future meta millionaires? It is your boy Terry Stonkers, and welcome to the channel, baby, by the dip. All right, guys, in today's video, we got a lot to talk about. There's some stuff with going on in Webull, how they're starting to do the margin calls. We got the utilization up high. We got a lot to go over here on Twitter information. We're going to go over Facebook. We got to talk about a lot of things in the market. Going to be leading in some exciting times, I believe, here. Maybe through right now, through February, we're going to get all that information in today's video. Clear skies ahead for MetaMaterials, in my personal opinion. Hope you are ready for today's video. If you are, smash thumbs up, leave a comment down below. It helps out the algorithm. And baby, let's go. All right, first I want to say thank you to everyone that came to the live stream last night that joined me and Roller Pigeon. We streamed for about 2 hours, and I want to say thank you to everyone that was a part of the stream. It was a great time. We will plan another stream in the future. We're probably going to look maybe sometime in January. Unless there's some crazy news comes out, maybe we'll do it here after the holidays. But we will plan for a future live stream. But I want to say thank you again for everyone that attended the live stream. It was a good time. All right, and speaking of a good time, here on the MetaMaterial News Twitter page, they posted here earlier today, MMAT, according to Webull, the platform is performing margin calls on positions. And they also look like they retweeted here FX Hedgers on Twitter as well. NASDAQ margin call, 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now we're going to go take a look over here on Twitter at the Ortex. We're going to our buddy here, Uncle Smokey. He put out his morning briefing that he usually tries to do on Ortex. This is pretty much going to sum up a lot of it. He has a 4-part post. I'm just going to go over the first part of it here. But here he says, MAT, here is the morning update. Ortex is showing utilization is all the way up at 96.13. Remember, that is as of 2 days ago. It is probably 100% now, considering that Webull has stopped margin trading on Meta on their platforms. I'm hearing other platforms have it as well. So here is this. Let me remove the box. And there you can see on the right-hand side, utilization current 96.13. So there you go, guys. You can see all the information on there. Smokey in his videos does a great breakdown of how Ortex works. So if you want to get the full breakdown, go check him out. Guys, so here we are on the MetaMaterials Facebook group, and we got one of the moderators, Liz, here, actually shared one of Smokey's other posts talking about this Webull situation. She says here, get ready for a run. Here's Uncle Smokey's post. Here it says, MAT, Webull has pulled the ability to trade MetaMaterials on margin. That also means it cannot be shorted on their platform. If you can't use margin to leverage, you cannot short the stock. The shorts are going to be torched. And if we get on here and start reading some of the comments, here it says, Javi says, I think Robinhood will remove margin on MMAT tomorrow. Someone here says, do hedge funds use Webull on Robinhood? Come on. And Michael here commented, says, no, but they profit on the use of PFOF, which is the payment of order flow. I don't care what Kenny G says. It's a huge advantage of theirs. That is true. The payment for order flow, it really needs to go away from these brokerages. It really does. Does this explain why some people are snippy this morning? Some MMTLP got sold on margin calls. Yeah, it's effed up. You know, they're number 2 in themselves right now. I got to watch my words. Don't want to get demonetized. Liz here says that definitely could explain it. I wouldn't want to be in their shoes right now. So this here is leading up to some interesting stuff, guys. We had this bogus short report come out, and it didn't really do anything. It's just these last minute, I guess you want to say, tax loss harvesting. What I want to do now is go take a look over here on the premium Fintel, guys. We're going to go take a look at it. This is the ownership. This is showing that we still have the same amount of shares, 281.2 million shares. The institutionals hold 41.8 million, which makes up 14.88% of the shares. The ownership accumulation score is a 32.45. let's go take a look at the short interest and let's see what Fintel has for us today. Short squeeze score 77.43, ranked 226 out of 5466. Let me just hit refresh on this because they do sometimes update. No update. So here it says the short shares that are available at this leading prime brokerage, updated 37 minutes ago, is 150,000 shares. So those are still out there for them to do. We can see here our short borrow fee did go up a little bit. It's 1.91 right now. That was updated 37 minutes ago as well. Go down here and take a look at the FINRA total volume. The FINRA short volume ratio is a 50.91. They still do not have the CBOE yet, so we can't get these aggregate total volumes. But if we look up here, we're at a 50.9. Probably looking at a 52 over here on the aggregate short volume ratio. I did go look at the buyers and sellers. There wasn't any additional buyers or sellers. All right, guys, so we're back here on Twitter. We are on Will Mead's official Twitter. We have covered this gentleman a lot. He has a post here from yesterday saying the small cap bottom is likely in. Tax loss selling is likely over. From now to February 1st is historically the best time to trade small caps, and buys this year worst performing stocks. Here you can see the 15 years optimal time to put on a rebalancing trade to reverse said tax loss harvesting flow is now from December 15th through February 15th, where the bottom is likely in the small cap. And he has another post up here that he did yesterday. He says here, 2018 was the last December I remember small caps getting this destroyed. And the bottom was put in exactly on expiring option day, 12/21. Now for us, it's going to be tomorrow, the 17th, I believe, is the expiration expiring. Then a huge multi-month run. Friday's options expiration shouldn't be any different. Chart off the 2018, the IWM small cap index. Let me go take this off to activate the camera. There we go. So here you can see on this chart, down here at the bottom in this box, was December 24th, like right at Christmas time, man. As you can see, the Russell here shot up right after that, up through about the end of February. It shows here about the 25th over here, 25th, 26th. So, like I said, it's all speculation, guys. We are assuming here that we think that it could happen. We know the small cap's been getting beat down since, I believe, September, October. We've been on a couple-month bleed. There is a huge opportunity here in the small caps. So, yeah, I think this is the time that I'm excited for the small caps. And we're going to go back. If you're not following me on Twitter, make sure you go follow me on Twitter at TerryZ247, the official Twitter. I did retweet a couple things out here. I'm going to throw them out to you guys real quick. Genius Brands, ticker symbol JNUS, got a $5 price target. I'm going to come out with a video talking more about that. But here is just a quick post if you want to read it. I will do a Genius Brands video probably here over the weekend. Of course, we got the Webull here. They're currently giving you 5 free stocks. Open up brokerage. So if you're looking to get a new brokerage for the new year, I'm looking to start a dividends only account. So if you don't have Webull, could be a great opportunity to possibly start a possibly a Roth IRA or a dividends only account. You can open up the brokerage, deposit some money, boom, you get your 5 free stocks. And then if you don't want to do anything else after that, you can cash out your money and leave. And what else did I do here? I also talked about GGPI as well. There's a post made here by Dana Donovic on Twitter. Let me get my big head out of the way. And this is a great chart they made. Electric vehicle valuations, hashtag vehicles produced. There you can see Polestar on the left, 24 billion valuation, but they already produced over 39,000, all but 40,000 cars. Lucid in the middle has a $72 billion valuation, and vehicles produced by end of year is supposed to be 577. Then you got Rivian, $100 billion valuation, and their vehicles produced by end of this year is supposed to be 1,008. So as you can see on the left here, Polestar is looking very, very juicy. I'm excited about Polestar, guys. A lot of these current stocks I'm really excited about and hope they take off here in these next few months. Polestar is supposed to go through the SPAC merger, and I believe it's going to have a similar run to what Lucid did. Maybe not a huge of a run as what Lucid did. It all depends on the EV sector. So hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you did, smash thumbs up, leave a comment down below. It helps out the algorithm, and I'll catch y'all next video. Peace.